Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the DENK Yogurt maker, Granicium. Oh, this is a patented yogurt maker, fresh yogurt, in an instant. We make our own fresh yogurt in an instant with the patented DENK Yoghurt maker. All we need is warm milk and 3 tablespoons of yogurt as a starting culture. Yogurt is created when milk is transformed by a special lactic acid bacteria. During that process, the lactose in the milk is mostly broken down. Unlike long-life, heat-treated yogurt, freshly made yogurt contains lots of active lactic acid bacteria. This has a positive effect on intestinal flora and is good for digestion. The high heat retention capacity and simultaneous low heat conductivity of our granite ceramic is crucial to the function of the DENK yogurt maker. Granicium retains heat around 20 times longer than steel, for example. The feed of the DENK yogurt maker ensures that the little heat is transferred to the surface below. When the cosy is used as well, the milk cools down very slowly over several hours, which is ideal for yogurt making. A patent for the DENK yogurt maker has been applied for heat up to 600 milliliter milk to around 80 degrees Celsius. We can measure the temperature in the pan using the thermometer supplied. Then we pour the milk into the yogurt maker and pour on the lid with the thermometer. At room temperature, 20 up to 22 degrees Celsius, the milk will cool down to 45 degrees up to 42 degrees Celsius within around 1 hour. Now we whisk 3 tablespoons of fresh yogurt with the longest best before date possible, or a pinch of dried yogurt culture, into the milk. We put the lid without the thermometer back onto it. Then we pour the knitted cosy over the top, and next comes the fermentation process, where the yogurt bacteria get to work. The yogurt maker should stand for around 8 hours at room temperature without being moved. The yogurt will be ready to eat after this process. To make our next yogurt, we scoop out 3 tablespoons of the fresh yogurt and keep it in fridge. Within 3 days, we will be able to use it to make fresh yogurt again. Easy peasy, as you can hear. This is the DENK yogurt maker, Granicium. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.